Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylion's investment tracking tools. Let's get straight into it. So Moneylion's investment tracking tools allows you to track your investments and to monitor your portfolio performance, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the invest section by clicking on the invest tab. Next, you want to click on investment tracking and then select the investment accounts that you want to track. Then you can view your investment portfolio and track your investment performance. You can also use the investment tracking tools to make informed investment decisions, because that's going to help you out a lot and save you from a lot of headaches. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Moneylion investment tracking tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.